So you're thinking about moving to St. John's, Florida? Well, today we're in the Stonecrest Community by KB Homes. I'm going to take you through two beautiful model homes, and you will not believe the pricing on these. It certainly surprised me, and the quality of these homes, what they offer for the price, what an incredible value. They've got hardy board siding, Florida fieldstone elevations, 5-tab architectural shingles, great energy efficiency. But you're going to want to stick around to the end because we're getting after it right now. So here in the KB home community of Stonecrest, we are only 15 minutes from Mickler's Landing, which is Ponte Vedra Beach, the closest access, public access. And also we are only 10 minutes from the St. Johns River. And I'm also going to turn the camera around because I want you to see they are building in the future they're going to build a very nice community pool here and a community playground. So I'll give you a good shot of that right now. So first I'm going to show you this model 1638 home behind me here. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's 1,638 square feet. The home prices in this community are going to range from the upper 300s to the mid 500s. Let's take a look inside this one right now. Real quick, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing in the Jacksonville, Florida area and the surrounding suburbs, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in Jacksonville, Florida. My name's Jay Wike. I'm a local real estate agent, and I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you that are looking for help relocating to this area, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days or even a shorter period of time than that, or if you have a home to sell, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. Next, I'm going to take you through this model 2387, and as you guessed it, it's 2,387 square feet. It can be built up to a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Let's check it out. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Stonecrest Community by KB Home. It was certainly fun bringing it to you. Let me know in the remarks which home you like better. Did you like the first one, the 1-story, the 4-bedroom, 2-bath, or did you like the second one, this 2-story with the amazing pergola and the outdoor fireplace here behind us as well? Reach out to me. You can always contact me directly. My contact information is in the description below. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or we can also schedule a one-on-one Zoom call. And like I always say, until next time, Hope to show you around town.